Hello, this is Paul from VideoWyz, and today I'm going to demonstrate a system that's been in almost ready state for quite a long time. So we've been tweaking and tweaking the approach we were using, and finally I think it's ready to for limited release. So VideoWyz. It's of course it's all about video and YouTube. So what it will take to rank your client's video for all possible keywords they have and for the multiple locations they have. It's quite a lengthy process, and let's say if I'll take one of my favorite topic, let's use for examples yoga. Let's say yoga in Toronto. You'll see of course there's a lot of all local businesses are actively like promoting their videos on YouTube, because YouTube is rapidly becoming one of the major source of leads for the local businesses. So if I'll do any cities around Toronto, and this is the typical use case for local business. They serve multiple locations unless they in the middle of the big city. So there are like a lot of studios, yoga studios in all suburbs or cities around Toronto in my case. And of course there are variations of yoga classes in Markham. So, and we can go deeper to the different keywords to make sure that we address people looking, let's say, for Ashtanga meditation or specific type of Ashtanga yoga or other type of yoga classes. So basically it comes down to the intersection of keywords and locations. So back to my original question, what it will take to rank my let's say hypothetical client for all these different keywords and different locations. So it's not an easy process considering the growing competition, and I will show you the system that we built that will allow you to do this with the slight twist with pretty much no time. I will do it if everything goes well. I will do it in real time, and by the end of the video you will see my videos ranking for those keywords. So I logged in VideoWyz, and I'm going to create a new project. So the project name and lists, and this is where I mentioned the intersection of keywords and locations. Let's say in my case it will be yoga and Ashtanga in the form of keywords in the cities around Toronto, Richmond Hill, Markham, Vaughan, Toronto itself. So those are 200, 400, 600,000 people, and Toronto itself, of course, it's one of the largest cities in North America. So we're going to do a video title using the combination of the keywords from these lists, and we also can use spin text. So we can set up a description, video tags, intro text. And I will show you what we do. Like we add intro slide to the video and outro slide to the video. So we have templates, we have music, so we have audio track to add, and I will pause and set up the rest of the project. So it's very simple setup, and of course for the real production we would use much richer video description, but for now it's best the selection from the list 1, classes in selection from list 2. So it will be creating videos with the titles like the best yoga classes in Markham and so on. So I will use the same description. Video tags will be list 1, list 2. I can add something that will be generic for all yoga studio. Intro slide will be exactly the same, the best list 1 classes in list 2, and outro text, outro slide will be call today. So I'm gonna save it. So now we have a project, so we need to upload source video. So for source video, so we have an option to upload your own video or use existing YouTube URL. So the problem with the duplicating of YouTube videos is that YouTube is getting better and better and catching up YouTube dupes. You can't. It's really hard to download. It's impossible nowadays. Getting less and less possible to download someone's video and re-upload it into your channel. So it will be dupe. So let's say I was looking at different beautiful yoga videos, and let's say I'll take this one. And this is 5 minutes video, so of course for the sake of demonstration I probably don't need that long, so I will do this. I will use YouTube URL and I will truncate it from let's say this is a brand. I don't know if it's a brand. Let's say I don't need the brand, so I can do it from 10 seconds and it will be for duration of 1 minute. That's simple. So of course different use cases will use different scenarios. So I will wait for user to video be downloaded from YouTube, to truncate it and re-upload it to our system. You can see that video is downloaded and it's now being truncated, starting from 10 seconds and a clip for duration of 1 minute. So it's done. I can see the truncated video and it's exactly 1 minute. Nice. And now I can generate videos, as many videos as I need to upload to on YouTube. So instead of trying to create perfect video to rank it for all possible keywords, I will target the each video for specific keyword. I would say generate 4 videos. And you can see that maximum videos in this case are 8. So we have 2 keywords, 4 locations. Again, I will pause. So you can see that video is going to be created for keywords Ashtanga Richmond Hill, Ashtanga Toronto, Yoga Richmond Hill, Yoga Toronto. I have 4 videos. You can see that 4 out of 8, and I can create another 4 that will cover all combinations. While system working on the last 4, we can see how the video that is generated looks like. Let's say Ashtanga Markham. So we have intro slide that says best Ashtanga classes in Markham, and we have outro slide that it's somewhat call to action. Call us today at phone number. And this is how the combined video looks like. It's not going to be bumped out because of the duplicate video. All right. So now we have I have all 8 videos created and I can upload them to YouTube. So I already have YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. And of course we have an option to upload as many YouTube channels as you want if you want to spread your videos over different YouTube channels. So you can see that the system allows easily create and target hundreds of keywords, and it's specifically useful for local ACO. So I'm going to upload, let's say, the title, best Ashtanga classes in Markham, tags, description. You can customize it right from here, but tags, Ashtanga, Markham, Yoga Studio, and we have thumbnail. So it's uploading. Exactly the same way I can upload them all. I can upload them in bulk. Let's say Ashtanga Markham, Yoga Toronto, of course, would be let's say Ashtanga Toronto. So now I have 5 videos uploaded. Let me check my YouTube channel if they are showing up. Well, here they are. So I didn't bother using third-party YouTube channels. I used my personal YouTube channel. You can see I have 5 videos uploaded. And now I'm switching to YouTube and checking for YouTube classes in Markham. You can see it's right on the top. Best yoga classes in Markham, uploaded 2 minutes ago. What about other keywords like yoga in Richmond Hill? Yoga classes in Richmond Hill, 3 minutes ago uploaded, right on the top. You can see there are other yoga classes, yoga related videos in Richmond Hill. A lot of them have location in the keyword and in the title. So what else? Yoga Markham, yoga classes. We actually checked it already. Ashtanga Markham. Ashtanga classes in Markham. Ashtanga in Markham. Markham Ashtanga, and we'll go to the competitive Ashtanga Toronto and Yoga Toronto. Toronto is third largest city in North America. Right on the first page, uploaded 9 minutes ago. Best yoga classes in Toronto. Yoga. Yeah, it's not there. But it's uploaded 9 minutes ago. Yoga classes in Toronto. The yoga classes in Toronto. Toronto yoga classes. Ashtanga classes in Toronto. Uploaded 5 minutes ago. You can see that right of in 10 minutes, well, the video takes longer, but of course I would do it faster if no video, no demonstration. I already have probably like for 3-4 locations and two keywords. Let me check studio. See, this video doesn't rank for yoga studio in Markham. It only goes for yoga classes in Markham. But I'm pretty sure, should I edit the list and add studio into the list, I would as easily rank for yoga studio in Markham as I already have for yoga classes in Markham. Again, the quick summary. So I created a project and I find a good video I can use as a base video. I entered combination of keywords and locations and configured the intro theme, like themes, the intro text, outro text. By the way, one thing I didn't show is if I'll go to yoga classes in Markham, you will see that those videos shown as the related videos. You can see that uploaded by me, Pavel Kovalev. Best yoga classes in Markham. You can see on the sidebar best yoga classes in Richmond Hill, best Ashtanga classes in Toronto. If I'll go to Toronto, Ashtanga classes in Toronto, you can see best yoga classes in Richmond Hill. So everything happened literally 5-10 minutes ago, and it's already ranking. Anyway, so this is the first demo. So we about to release it for the limited access. So there are a lot of additional features we're working on. So we're working on download it from Facebook, uploading to YouTube, download it from YouTube, uploading to Facebook, combining video, adding slides, merging several videos. There are a lot of great ideas to improve quality of the videos, but the benefits of what I already have there, so it's obvious. As I said, so in within the 10 minutes, so I have the hypothetical client ranking for the quite competitive keywords, yoga classes in Toronto, on the first page in YouTube. And more important, that over time, over a few days, might be a week, many of those videos will show in the Google search results for this specific keywords. Best yoga, the yoga classes in Richmond Hill will show up in the search results, not only in YouTube. So this is the quick summary. So if you want to have more information, please contact us at support at VideoWyz. You can contact us on the Facebook. And stay tuned, so we're about to release to the limited number of users who are willing to work through the might be not the perfect, not perfectly completed system, but already very powerful. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using our services.